Alright, so I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the looseness of this. That bad bearing. We're gonna do a quick test here. So you see how noisy it is. We hold it flat, and it's a lot smoother. Way better. So yeah, it's something to do with this bearing going bad here. It's just kind of messed up this whole thing, and it may have contributed to that fan getting into the wires and eating that up. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this bearing in here has gone bad, and that messed up the whole thing.